Hello students, myself Nidhi Shakarya. Today I am conducting this session for subject Math grade 5 and this is our third session for the chapter Large Numbers. Now, in previous session we learned how to read and write large numbers based upon the Indian place value system. Now, today let us recall the concept of face value and place value of a digit in a number. So students, the face value of a digit does not depend on the place of the digit in the number. The face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. So it does not matter which position the digit occupies in the number. The face value of the digit is always the digit itself. So over here in example 4, we are given this number and we have represented that is shown that in this place value chart. Now, in this number, that is 31,50,736, over here we have noted down the face value of each of the digits. And we can see that the face value of each of the digit is the digit itself. And please note students that over here the digit 3 is at tens place as well as at 10 lakhs place. Still, the face value of the digit 3 in both the places is 3, that is the digit itself. Now, the place value of a digit in a number depends on the place of the digit in the number. So, the place value of a digit in a number is equal to the face value of the digit multiplied by the value of the place it occupies in the number. So, over here, the value of the place, the value of each of the places from 1 to 10 crores should be by heart to us. So we should remember each of these values for each of the places. Even for the higher places, for example, crores place, then it has the value 1 crore, 1 followed by 7 zeros. Similarly, 10 crores place has the value 10 crore and 1 followed by 8 zeros. So all these values of each of the place should be by heart to us. Now, over here in example 5, we have to write the place value of each digit in the same number that is given in example 4. That is 31,50,736. Now, over here, the place value of digit 6 at one's place is the face value of the digit, that is the digit itself. So 6 multiplied by the value of the place, that is 1's place. So 1 in this case. So 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. So the place value of digit 6 is 6. Now the place value of digit 3 at 10's place is equal to the face value of the digit, that is 3, the digit itself, multiplied by the value of 10's place, that is 10. So 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. Then the value of 7, value of digit 7 at 100's place is 7 multiplied by the value of the place, that is 100, so 700. Then the value of digit 0 at 1000's place is the face value of the digit, that is 0 multiplied by the value of 1000's place, and that is 1000. So 0 multiplied by any number is always 0. So the place value of digit 0 at 1000's place is 0. Now students, remember that both the face value and place value of digit 0 in any number is always 0, because the face value of the digit is digit itself. So the face value of digit 0 will be always 0 and the place value of digit is equal to the face value of the digit, so that will be 0 multiplied by value of the place it occupies in the number. Now here in this formula we can substitute, that is we can replace any of these values. Even if we write 0 multiplied by 10 crore, still 0 multiplied by any number is always 0. So the place value of digit 0 at any place in the number is always 0. So now back to this example. Over here digit 5 is at 10,000's place. So So its place value is equal to place value of digit 5, that is 5 itself, multiplied by the value of 10,000's place, that is 10,000. 1 followed by 4 zeros. So 5 10,000 equal to 50,000. So 5 multiplied by 10,000 equal to 50,000. Now, place value of digit 1 at lakhs place is equal to 1 multiplied by value of lakhs place, that is 1 lakh. 1 followed by 5 zeros. So, the place value of digit 1 at lakhs place is 1 lakh. Now, the place value of digit 3 at 10 lakhs place is 3 times 10 lakh. Value of 10 lakhs place is 10 lakh. 1 followed by 6 zeros. So, 3 10 lakhs is equal to 30 lakh. So, place value of digit 3 at 10 lakhs place is 30 lakh. 3 followed by 6 zeros. Now students, let us recall the concept of expanded form of a number. So, the expanded form of a number is the sum of the place values of all its digits. Now, over here taking the same number from the previous example, this is the standard form or the compact form of the number, and let us write the expanded form of this number. So, we have just seen the place values of each of the digits in this number. Now, let us write the expanded form of this number in words first. So, whenever we write the expanded form of a number, we always start from the highest place. So, over here, how many 10 lakhs do we have? We have 3 10 lakhs. So, 3 10 lakhs. Then, coming to the lakhs place, we have how many lakhs? 1 lakh. So, add 1 lakh. Then, next place, we have 10,000 place and we have 5 10,000s. So, add 5 10,000s. Add, we have 0,000s. So, 0,000s. Then add, in the hundreds place we have 7 hundreds. Add, we have 3 tens. Add 6 ones. So here we have written the expanded form in words. That is, the place values of each of the digits are written over here in words. Now let us write the expanded form in figures over here. So 3 10 lakhs is equal to 3 times 10 lakh. So that is 30 lakh. 3 followed by 6 zeros. So add place value of digit 1. At lakhs place we just saw previously 1 lakh. 1 followed by 5 zeros. Then add 5 10,000s. Place value of digit 5 over here is 50,000. 5 followed by 4 zeros. Add place value of digit 0 and that is 0. Then place value of 7, that is 700. Add place value of 3, that is 30. Add place value of 6 at one's place, that is 6. So over here we have the expanded form in figures for this number, and this is the standard form of the number or the compact form. Now students, you have to solve all the questions of exercise 1.2 as homework in your classwork books. Now students, in exercise 1.2, question number 1, write the face value and the place value of the colored digit in each number. So over here, you have to prepare a table like this, and in the first column you will write the numbers, in the second column you will write the face value of the colored digits, and in the third column you will write the place value of the colored digits. Now while writing the numbers over here, you can highlight the digit by underlining each digit in the numbers. Now over here, the first one, 0 is the digit and its face value will be the digit itself, that is 0, and the place value of digit 0 at 10's place is equal to 0 multiplied by 10, and that is equal to 0, and we know that the place value and face value of 0 at any place will always be 0. Now over here in B, we have digit 4 which is highlighted, colored. Now we have underlined it over here, and its face value is the digit itself, so 4, and its place value is 4 multiplied by value of the place where it is located. So over here it is at thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So 4 multiplied by 1000 which is equal to 4000. Then you have to complete this entire question in this manner. Now in question 2, you have to write the place value of the colored digits in each number. Also, write the sum of the place values of the colored digits. Now, over here, I have solved the first question. So, you will write the number over here and you will underline the colored digits. Then, note down the places above each digit like this. Then, on the right side, you will write place values and put a colon. And below over here in these two lines you will write the place values of the two digits. So from the left, digit 1 comes first. So you will draw an arrow like this and write its place value over here. So we have 1, 10, 1000 in this number. So place value of digit 1 will be equal to 10,000. 1 followed by 4 zeros. And the second digit is digit 5 at hundreds place. So its place value will be 500. 5 multiplied by 100. So 500. And then it is written that also write the sum of the place values of the colored digits. So over here you will write sum of place values equal to, and over here these are the two place values, so you will perform addition. So addition sign over here, and over here you will carry out the addition. So the sum of place values in this case is 10,500. So like this you will solve the other sub questions in this question. Now in question number 3, you have to write the following numbers in the expanded form. Also write their expanded form in words. So first you have to write the expanded form in figures and then in words. So you will write the number and you will write the places above each digit like this, and then when we write the expanded form, we always start from the left, the highest place. So over here we have 1, 10 lakh. So 10 lakh over here in figures, that is 1 followed by 6 zeros. Then we have 0 lakhs over here. So we do not need to write over here 0. Add 0, no need to write over here. Then we have 3 10,000s, that is 30,000. So add 30,000. 3 followed by 4 zeros. Then we have 2,000s. So add 2,000. 2 followed by 3 zeros. Then we have 500s. So add 500. Then 2 tens. So add 20. And then 2 ones. So add 2. Right? Remember, expanded form means writing the number as the sum of the place values of all the digits. Now over here expanded form in words is 110 lakh, 110 lakh, add 0 lakhs, so 0 lakhs, add 3 10,000s, so 3 10,000s, add 2,000s, so add 2,000s, add 500s, so over here 500s, add 2 tens. So 2 tens. Add 2 ones. So 2 ones. Now over here in question 3, the last sub question, if we have the number which is occupying half the line, then you can write the expanded form which is in figures from the next line. No need to write the expanded form. No need to write the expanded form from this same line. Okay, you can write it from the next line. So over here, I have noted down the places above each of the digits, and starting from the left, we have 5 10 crores, that is 50 crore. And remember, when we say 10 crores, then 8 zeros will be there. So 50 crore, 5 followed by 8 zeros. Then add 5 crores, so over here 5 crore, 5 followed by 7 zeros. Then add, we have 5 10 lakhs, that is 50 lakh. So 5 followed by 6 zeros. Then add 5 lakhs. So add 5 lakh, 5 followed by 5 zeros. Then add 5 10,000. So add 50,000, 5 followed by 4 zeros. Then add 5 thousands. So add 5,000, 5 followed by 3 zeros. Then add 500. Then add 5 tens, that is 50. And then add 5 over here. And then over here, expanded form in words, you will mention this. And from the next line, you will begin writing the expanded form. So, like this, you will complete the entire question. Now, in question 4, you have to write the standard form for each of the following. So, the expanded form of the numbers are given and you have to write the standard form of the numbers. So, over here, if we look at this first figure, we have 8 followed by 5 zeros. This is 8 lakh. So, you will note down the places over here till the lakhs place. From ones till lakhs place. And then we have 8 lakh over here. So, in the lakhs place, you will write 8. Then add 10,000. So, 1 in the 10,000s place. Then add 4,000. So, digit 4 in the thousands place. Then add 500. So, digit 5 in the hundreds place. Because we have 5 hundreds. Add 500. Then we have add 20. So, 2 tens. And then 3. So, 3 ones. So, like this, you will note down the digits with the help of the places. And then we have to put the commas to separate the periods. Okay, so from the right side, leaving 3 digits and putting the comma, then leaving 2 digits for the thousands place, then again putting the comma. Then in this next one, the expanded form begins with this figure, this number. So over here we have 4 followed by 8 zeros. So this is 40 crore. So you will note down the places from 1s till 10 crores. Then over here we have 40 crore. So 4 10 crores. So over here you will write 4 below 10 crores place. Then we have add 7 crore, 7 followed by 7 zeros. So in the crores place you will write digit 7. Then add 30,000. So over here in the expanded form, the 10 lakhs and lakhs place are skipped, which means we have 0 10 lakhs and 0 lakhs. And directly we have add 30,000. So in 10,000s place we will write 3. We have 30,000, that is 3 10,000s. So digit 3 over here under the 10,000s place. Then we have add 800. So directly after 30,000 we have 800. So that means we have 0 thousands. So digit 0 over here in the thousands place. Then digit 8 over here in the hundreds place, because we have add 800. Then add 60. So 6 tens. And then add 9. So digit 9 in the ones place. And then putting the commas to separate out the periods. So like this you will complete this question. So students, while solving the exercise questions in your classwork books, please copy the questions in your books as well. So we will meet in the next session. Till then, keep safe.